The defense has rested its case in the trial of Dwayne Keefe D. Davis. The state rested its case yesterday, and Fox 5's Victoria Sahai is outside the courthouse and joining us now by phone. And Victoria, what can you tell us?
Hey, Alexis. Well, another quick day in court. The defense had about 3 witnesses that came in, police officers. There was a detective who had responded that night, as well as that same detective. He moved on to the homicide unit in 2004, was given the Tupac Shakur murder case. He went to Compton, interviewed Dwayne Davis, and the jury had a lot of questions for this witness. They asked if he was able to ever verify all the information that Davis had given him in that interview. He said no. And again, that's kind of what the defense's strategy has been this whole time, that yes, Davis made all these statements. He gave these interviews, he gave these media statements, but no one has ever been able to corroborate or verify those statements. Again, they say that he was never in Las Vegas that time. We have yet to see footage of him, any DNA connected to him, anything at all. And I think the most surprising part is that the defense rested the case today, and we thought Davis may testify. Again, it is his right to testify, and he chose not to. In my jailhouse interview that we did just before this trial started, he said that he would if he has to. It seems like he was itching to talk, and he chose not to. In fact, the defense attorney actually just came down. He's doing a media gaggle right now. Our photographer, Eric Green, is up there getting that sound. And his defense attorney has been very open with me, open with the media this whole time, that his client is in good spirits. He believes in his client's innocence. It's his right to testify. But again, it's not really the norm for a defendant to testify, because once he is up there, he's going to be subject to cross-examination. We knew that, so I guess today we've had that answer.
And Victoria, what happens next?
Okay, so tomorrow, Friday, will be jury instructions. Davis has waived his appearance. He was allowed to be there as the jury gets instructions for, how they're going to deliberate and so-and-so. And then Monday morning, 9 a.m. is closing arguments for this case. His defense attorney yesterday, when we spoke, said that he doesn't expect this to be a long deliberation. So, yeah, I guess it all comes down to Monday, and then who knows, next week this time we may have a verdict.
All right, thank you so much, Victoria. And have you been able to talk to anybody? What's the sense in the courtroom?
I guess the sense in the courtroom, us, we're like on one side with the media and the general public. Everyone's just kind of amazed with how quickly this trial has moved along. Even yesterday, Judge Carly Kearney had told the jury that we are way ahead of schedule. Yesterday we came in, court was at 1. We were all dismissed by 1:40, and today as well. Court started at noon. We went through those 3 witnesses by like 1:30. And they just went by really quick, and it just shows that, they had a lot of prep for this. We had 200 witnesses, but we knew not all those witnesses were going to testify. We were expecting about 40 to 45 witnesses. But I think everyone's just quite amazed with how quickly and how fast this trial is moving.
All right. Thank you so much, Victoria. We will check in with you later this afternoon.